Next property, prove that cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x, where x belongs to minus 1, 1. Okay, domain will be asked for 1 mark. For what values of x, cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x hold. Okay, let us call this as y. Similar proof is similar to previous one. Cos inverse of minus x is y. Then minus x is equal to cos y. Minus x is equal to cos y. Change the sign throughout. Plus x is equal to minus cos y. And x is equal to, in previous 3 cases, you have written minus sin y is sin of minus y. Similarly, minus tan y is tan of minus y. In case of cosecant y also, minus cosecant y is cosecant of minus y. But we know that cos of minus x not equal to minus cos x. It is plus cos x only. In previous 3 cases, it is possible because sin of minus x is minus sin x. But here it is not possible. This is negative. We know that in second quadrant, cos function is negative. Therefore, I will write like this. Pi minus y. 90 into 2, second quadrant. In second quadrant, cos function is negative. Now, this is same as cos inverse x is equal to pi minus y. Or I will write like this. Cos inverse x is equal to pi minus y is cos inverse of minus x. Cos inverse of minus x. I will write this term in left hand side. It becomes positive. Plus cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi. Write this term in right hand side. It is minus cos inverse x. This is the required proof. Okay. Next one, secant inverse of minus x is pi minus secant inverse x. Here domain is mod x greater than or equal to 1. It is same as x greater than or equal to 1 or x less than or equal to minus 1. Mod x greater than or equal to 1. And x greater than or equal to 1 or x less than or equal to minus 1. Okay. Now, proof is similar to previous one. Call this as y. Let secant inverse of minus x is equal to y. It implies minus x is equal to secant y. Now change the sign throughout. It is plus x is equal to minus secant y. Now x is equal to, this is not equal to secant of minus y because in first year you studied that secant of minus y is plus secant y only. Therefore, it can be written like this, secant of pi minus y. In second quadrant, secant function is negative. In second quadrant, secant and cos are negative. You know that this rule, all student, means in second quadrant, sin and cosecant are only positive. Remaining trigonometric functions are negative. Now, it is same as secant inverse x is equal to pi minus y. Or secant inverse x is equal to pi minus y means secant inverse of minus x. Next, I will write this term here. It becomes positive. Secant inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus secant inverse x. Minus secant inverse x. This is the required proof. Okay. Next in that third one, cot inverse of minus x is pi minus cot inverse x, where x belongs to all real numbers. Okay. Proof is similar to previous one. Let, call this as y. Let cot inverse of minus x is equal to y. Now, minus x, it implies minus x is cot y. Now change the sign throughout. It is plus x is equal to minus cot y. Here also it is not possible to write like cot of minus y because cot of minus y not equal to minus cot y. Therefore, I will write like this, cot of pi minus y. In second quadrant, cot function is negative. It implies cot inverse x is equal to pi minus y. Cot inverse x is pi minus y. Or cot inverse x is equal to pi minus y means cot inverse of minus x. Now, write this term in left hand side. It becomes positive. cot inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cot inverse x. This is the required result. Okay. Next one, show that sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Next property. Here domain is x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 comma 1. Okay, now call this term as y. Let sin inverse x is equal to y. Okay, sin inverse x is equal to y. It implies x is equal to sin y. Now, x is equal to, you know the relationship between sin and cos function. Sin y means it is same as cos of pi by 2 minus y. You studied in first year. For example, sin 30 degree is same as cos of 90 minus 30 means cos 60. Cos 60 and sin 30 same. Similarly, sin 60 cos 30 means the relationship between sin and cos. Cos y is same as sin of 90 degree minus y. Similarly, sin y is same as cos of pi by 2 minus y. You should remember this result. Next, it can be written like this. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. Cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. Y means sin inverse x. Now bring this term in left hand side. It becomes positive. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the required result. Next property. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2, where x belongs to all real numbers. Proof. Proof is similar to previous one. Let us call this as y. Let tan inverse x is equal to y. Take any term. Either you can take cot inverse x is equal to y. That is also possible. Now, it implies x is equal to tan y. X is equal to tan y. Means x is equal to, you know the relationship between cot and tan function. Tan y is same as cot of 90 degree or cot of pi by 2 minus y. In first year you studied like this. Then it implies x is equal to cot of something or cot inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 minus y, or cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus, here y means tan inverse x. Now bring this term here, it becomes positive, plus tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the required result. Okay. Next one, show that cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. Here mod x greater than or equal to 1. It is same as x greater than or equal to 1 and or x less than or equal to minus 1. Now prove this. Proof is similar to previous one. Let us call one term as y. Cosecant inverse x is equal to y. Or you can take secant inverse x is equal to y. Okay. It implies x is equal to cosecant y. Or x is equal to, you know the relationship between cosecant and secant. It is same as secant of pi by 2 minus y. Okay. It implies secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y. Now secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2 minus y means cosecant inverse x. You have taken in the beginning, cosecant inverse x is equal to y. Now bring this term here, it becomes positive. Cosecant inverse x plus secant inverse x is equal to pi by 2. This is the required result.